Guys, now this is the back area of the hotel, and as you can see, there's a little here's the canal of the area. Pretty cool. And actually, there's a fun fact about this canal. Ferry boats, those little ferry boats that tour you around and tell you about everything, those boats go over here. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if they're out now, but they might be out, but they might be on the other side of the canal right now. There's Daddy. I'm ready. Let's go back inside, guys. We're going to take you back inside. I'm going to show you. This is a cool little area, guys. And there, as you can see, there's a fire pit. We're only staying here for a couple more days, but we're enjoying it while we're staying. We're living it up at the hotel. And there's the pool. Let me fix my phone. Thank you, Daddy. There's two gyms right here. This is the hallway of the hotel. Really nice. There's Burr.
Transmitting the best damn morning show on the planet. Shizzy coming up in just a moment. The news we have on the way.
Talk about being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Father, son, just going out trying to do a little bonding and they don't come home. I'll tell you what happened next.
All right, we'll get to that in just a moment. Here's somebody that I don't know. We talked
And there's the hallway. The hallways are like depressing, but a little bit, but there's still color on the carpet stuff. It's kind of cool. And just like that, we're back on our floor. So I hope you guys like this little hotel thing I did for you guys. And I would did it in that other video, but me showing you the room, but it was too dark outside, and I just figured I didn't want to do it in the dark, so. Alright, well, we did. And we were still all settling in, so. Bye, guys.